That sound is the sound of instability. It's the sound of a GPU being starved, a CPU throttling, and components living on borrowed time. Most builders will tell you to spend your entire budget on the flashy parts, the GPU, the CPU. But they're hiding a secret. The true heart of a legendary, future-proof PC isn't what you see, it's what powers it. And for under $500, you can install a beast that will silently carry your rig for the next decade. After testing units that could power a small server, I'm revealing the 5 power supplies that represent a level of performance and reliability that borders on overkill. Number 1. Vetroo 850W SFX Power Supply. The selected text outlines key features and specifications of the Vetroo 850W SFX power supply, focusing on its versatility, compatibility, performance, efficiency, and design. Here's a detailed analysis of each highlighted aspect. Compatible sizes. The phrase SFX size is not only suitable for mini IDX chassis, but can also be expanded to ATX size when using the SFX to ATX bracket indicates the flexibility of this power supply. SFX, small form factor, is a smaller power supply format ideal for compact systems, particularly in mini IDX builds. However, the inclusion of the SFX to ATX bracket means that users can upgrade their setups to larger ATX cases if needed, making the product appealing to a broader range of builders who may wish to expand their systems in the future. Number 2. Be quiet! Dark Power Pro 13-1600W. Dark Power Pro 13-1600W is certified with 80+ titanium and an energy efficiency rating of up to 94.5%. This provides lots of benefits for your high-end system, including less power consumption and an overall cooler and quieter operation. Dark Power Pro 13-1600W is an ATX 3.0 PSU and comes with both native integration of the 12V HPWR connector for next-generation PCIe 5.0 graphics cards, and PCIe 6 plus 2-pin connectors for support of current-gen GPUs overclocking key switches between 6 12V rails and one massive 12V rail. Even if the graphics card demands excessive power for a short time, Dark Power Pro 13-1600W handles power excursions up to double its rated power with ease. Experience the most technologically advanced power supply Be Quiet has ever built. Using an advanced digital full bridge and LLC technology, it provides world-class signal stability and power efficiency. Number 3. Corsair SF1000. The selected text describes various features and benefits of the Corsair SF1000 2024 Power Supply Unit, PSU, and it utilizes technical specifications to highlight its strengths. Here's a detailed breakdown. 80+ platinum rated SFX power. This indicates that the power supply is rated at the 80+ platinum level, meaning it is highly efficient with minimal energy loss. The SFX form factor signifies that it is designed for small systems, making it ideal for compact builds. Therefore, it is especially suitable for power-dense small form factor PCs, which require high performance without taking up too much physical space. Additionally, its ability to save space in larger cases suggests versatility, appealing to users looking to optimize their setup without sacrificing power. Overall, the selected text effectively communicates the advanced features and benefits of the Corsair SF1000 2024 PSU, positioning it as a high-performance, efficient, and reliable option for both compact and standard PC builds. Number 4. ASUS ROG Thor 1000W Platinum. The selected text provides an overview of various features and specifications of the ASUS ROG Thor 1000W Platinum 3 Power Supply Unit, PSU. Here's a detailed breakdown. GaN MOSFET technology. The mention of GaN, gallium nitride, MOSFETs indicates a significant advancement in semiconductor technology used in power electronics. MOSFETs are essential for switching and amplifying electronic signals. The claim of up to 30% more power efficiency than standard MOSFETs suggests that GaN technology minimizes power loss during voltage conversion, leading to more efficient energy use. This efficiency not only reduces energy consumption but also contributes to a cooler operation due to less heat generated, thereby improving overall system reliability. GPU First Voltage Sensing. The GPU First Voltage Sensing feature with a patented intelligent voltage stabilizer is designed to prioritize the power needs of the graphics card. Enhancing voltage delivery by up to 45% helps ensure that the GPU receives a stable power supply, which is crucial for high-performance gaming. This stable supply translates into smoother gameplay and consistent performance under load, key factors for gaming enthusiasts and professionals. Number 5. Cooler PSU Fully Modular Power. This phrase emphasizes that the PSU, power supply unit, adheres to the latest ATX 3.1 standards, which is crucial for ensuring compatibility with modern motherboard and GPU technology. The inclusion of a native 12V-2x6 PCIe 5.1 connector indicates that the power supply can directly connect to the newest high-performance graphic cards without requiring any adapters, facilitating a streamlined setup for users and enhancing convenience. The 80+ Gold certified designation is significant as it indicates a high level of energy efficiency. The PSU converts up to 92% of the electricity drawn from the wall into usable power for the PC components, meaning less energy is wasted as heat. This efficiency not only helps reduce power consumption and electricity costs but also contributes to a cooler system, which can be especially important in high-performance setups. And that's the kind of peace of mind you can't put a price on. No more worrying about transient spikes or coil whine, just clean, stable power for years to come. To make your build easy, all the direct links to check the latest prices and availability for these powerhouse PSUs are in the description below. If this guide saved your next build from a power crisis, please give the video a like, share it with your build buddies, and subscribe for more components that are actually worth your money. Build smart.